In this episode, we're going to work on the SG Forester. Stay tuned. We're going to replace the gear shifter's bushing. So we've got a whole kit here. Got all the part numbers. I'll link them down below as well. So we've got the bush, we've got the snap ring, and we've got 2 O-rings. So that's what goes around this little knob on the end here. At the moment, I have a short shifter. I've got a cartboy short shifter in the car, but I think the ball on the end is a little bit big, and I think it pops out. I don't know if there is a different size one, but this is the size that should be on the 5-speed manual. If I struggle to get it in this one, we'll swap back to the stock, because the missus needs to be able to drive this car without this coming out and losing all gears. Let's do it. Alright, so we need to be able to get into here. So take off the gear knob and wait for it to get all floppy. Plop. Then we can just pull that out. Oh, got some money. We'll unplug the cigarette lighter. So that's the connector there. Just a little push clip that comes out and over there. We've got this rubber boot. There's one clip in there. These are straight blades, but you can just pull them out. Come on. And this comes up. Yours probably doesn't look like this, but this has been out a few times. So, as you can see, there, look, it's out. So that's what happens. So, to undo this bolt here, we'll be able to get the lever out. Alright, this bolt, I'm not sure if it's different. I think it is actually from the cartboy one. These are 12s, and we've got a bushing in there as well. That's not loosening because that fell off. Alright, bolts out. I can just pull this up. Make sure you don't lose the centre of the bush there. You shouldn't be able to do that, but it should still be in the bush. I'll find where it went. Down there. So the retaining clip goes onto this one here. Let's put this side by side to the new one. Alright, before I compare the bushes, I just measured the end balls here and they're the same. So the issue is the bushing. So just to show you, I'll measure. So we're 19.93. Yeah, pretty damn close. So this is actually smaller, so it shouldn't be able to pop out like that. So let's open up the new one. Find the blade, just in case you missed it. That's the part number. Sorry guys. Alright. See the difference? Look how much better that groove is at the top. This is just worn out. Brand new. Well, these O-rings are not Subaru ones. So we have the snap ring which goes on under the car, and we will put the O-rings on what we do, put that on. Oh, that's I never did it with that. That's tight. That's going to make a lot of difference. That one at the top. Pretty sure it goes at the top there. And smaller one. Sorry guys, smaller one. Larger one. Come on. So yeah, snap ring goes on there. That looks good. Right. Let's go put it back in the car. Take the snap ring with us. I'll show you how it's done. Right, make sure we put that sleeve back in. It's a little loose in there. Right, so that went in nice. Now we put the bolt in. We're going to jack up the car. Alright, so that's bolted back in. We'll get under the car, so we'll jack up one side, put some safeties under it, and I'll show you how to put this clip in. Actually, kept the pliers in here with a 45. Found that's the easiest because you've got the drive shaft and exhaust in the way. Let's get under the car. Alright guys, I've got jack stand, I've got a jack, I've got a tyre. I just need to get in there somewhere. Right, there's the part number for the snap ring. Alright, you can see there, that white round bit. It's actually protruding quite a lot more than it did before. So we've got to get the snap ring onto that. Yeah, I don't know if I can get a good view. Here, laying flat on the ground. So I've got the angle. So these pliers I can change straight 90 degrees, 45, and internal and external. So it's very handy. Get in that groove. Alright. Heaps better. Sick. Alright, let's put that back together. Put that rubber boot back on. I'm trying to get the clips out of the ashtray. Okay. Actually have all four. And we've still got the short shifter, which is great. Cool. Shut that back up. Make sure we connect the cigarette lighter. Ah! Yeah, it's back together. Go in there first. Top first, and then bottom. And screw that off. It's a long thread. So I do still need to fix one of the links. That'll be next up. But I need to fix that because the missus popped it out about 3 times. So she's scared to drive my car. So we'll take it out for a drive and we'll see how we go. Alright, let's go for a test drive. Feels a little bit tighter. A Oh yeah, that's tighter. That's good. Not a lot of difference. Oh yeah, there is actually. But still, there's lateral movement there. What is it with the Foresters and stuff in the back being loose? You guys can probably hear it really good. Soccer training on. Oh yeah. Front to back movement is a lot tighter. That's good. Yeah. That's good. My power steering pulley might be going. Oh yeah. Now I just need to get that link. Pretty expensive actually for a decent one, but I think just the genuine 50 or 60 bucks. Tightens it up a lot. Alright. So take it back, and the missus says she's going to take it for a drive. She is driving it on Friday because I'm taking her car in for service and tyres. Hit 50,000 Ks. This is on 260. I believe it's still the first engine. There's no plans for this, really. Just, it's a daily driver. Just do that link. Good paint correction, and just enjoy it. Something definitely moving around in the back. I've got something in the side pocket actually. I might do a stereo. I do need to do a stereo. I've got an FM transmitter, but it's in the cigarette lighter down here. And it charges the iPhone, but it's getting loose and it keeps cutting out, and it's annoying. I want a decent one, or if I can find the cubby at a decent price, I'll put a double din up here. What are your thoughts on the double din up the top? Then we can have maps as well. Alright, great success. She drove it okay. She does drive an automatic and has been driving an automatic for quite some time now, so when she jumps in a manual, it takes a little while to get used to, but that's okay, that's like most people. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this episode and it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next episode when we play around with the red fuzz. Thanks for watching, bye.